Let's be real, with so many prop firms in the market who promise you the world, it's getting hard to trust. The prop firms are evolving swiftly. With all these changes, it's getting tougher to select which suits you the best. Well, our countless research has got a perfect solution for you. Watch this video to find a firm which fits your interest. What's up, traders? Today we will talk about best 10 prop trading firms of September. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 10, My Forex Funds. My Forex Fund is also considered one of the best prop trading firm. It started in July 2020. Traders have multiple choices to work on 3 different accounts. These accounts have solid potential to bring 50 up to 90 profit splits. My Forex Funds have established well-reputative name in the industry by having rating of 4.9 out of 5 on Trustpilot. They have various offices based in Canada, Toronto. Traders have given chance to trade on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 through third-party liquidity that allows direct market access. Here is brief summary of their charges. The firm challenged an initial capital $10,000 balance for $84, $20,000 balance for $139, $50,000 balance for $299, $100,000 balance for $499, $200,000 balance for $979. Number 9, the Trading Pit. The next in the line is the Trading Pit. The firm is founded by Christoph Radiker. At the Trading Pit, traders are allowed to trade futures, forex and combos, but the good news is they have some solid plans for stocks and cryptos too. If you're interested in trading with the Trading Pit, you need to pass challenges. To get funded by the firm, the first challenge involves the Trading Pit Challenge, second one known as Forex Challenge, and third one Futures Challenge. However, the good thing is the fee is quite cheap as compared to other firms. If you are planning to choose a Forex account type, the Lite account charges $99, the Standard account is $179, the Executive is $399, and the VIP is $999. The best thing is they demand only one-time payment. However, in my opinion, there are few things the Trading Pit still needs to work on, like low initial profit targets, strict drawdowns, tough trading targets. Like this video and subscribe to the channel to boost our confidence to make more videos for you. Number 8, City Traders Imperium. Next in the list is City Trader Imperium. The firm was established in 2018 and based in London, UK. The firm empowers traders to use any trading approach they want plus 1-year evaluation phase. During the evaluation phase, traders can trade in gold and forex pairs too. If they successfully complete the evaluation process, they can qualify for portfolio manager level. If you are interested, note that the firm regulates strict risk management rules, which involves mandatory stop-loss orders. The firm is reliable and transparent with over 4.7 rating on Trustpilot. The trading platforms are limited, which include MetaTrader 4. The account size ranges from $2,500 to $17,500. Moreover, one-time fee should be paid based on your account size that ranges from £109 to £649. Number 7, the 5 ERs. So the firm which managed to secure 7th position this September is the 5 Rs. The thing which makes the 5 Rs stand out from other providers is their rules. All funded trading accounts are funded with real money by the 5 Rs. The 5 Rs allow traders to finish the Level 1 program by reaching a profit target of nearly 10 to 25%. After successfully progressing on Level 1, all the profits are paid out and another new account opened. Firm offers all popular major forex currency pairs and works on a 50-50 ratio, which is quite less than other programs. The trading program is held on MetaTrader Trading Program. The rank of the 5 ERs are pretty much high on Trustpilot, with many satisfactory customers. The fee of the funding trading program depends upon the size of your account from $275 to $875. Number 6, Fidelcrest. Now coming up next is Fidelcrest. This firm is comparatively new as compared to others, but its active traders are rapidly growing. Well, if you check out their website, their data says that more than 6,000 active users are currently working with them. Their offered tradable instruments are more than 1,000. You must need to complete the verification phase successfully before you move forward. Afterwards, the profit share rises to 70 to 80% for traders achieving the target. Trading programs are hosted on various platforms which include MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 or CTrader. Remember, in Phase 1 and 2, traders are required to trade in the same instruments, so ensure your required instrument must be supported by your broker before moving forward. Fiddlecrest presents 4 Pro FX normal accounts for Forex trading, the capital sizes starting from $50,000 to $400,000. The evaluation fee must be paid, which ranges from $349 to $1,499. If you found this a little expensive, they also offer accounts of smaller sizes with fee adjustment policies. If you are interested in learning more about them, inquire on support at fiddlecrest.com. Number 5. Earn2Trade. Earn2Trade mainly focuses on trading in the future market. Traders get to trade for 60 days on a virtual account through $25,000. Your target is to pull out 10% profit while keeping an eye on not exceeding maximum drawdown set at 10%. If you manage to complete this evaluation period, you are offered a solid funded trading account from Earn2Trade's partners, Helios Trading Partners and Appius Trading. The new Gauntlet Mini program is just like other funding trading programs, which you can easily access by paying a monthly fee. You have to follow specific rules set by the firm. You can access Journalytics. The bonuses include dedicated webinars and other trading education to help you improve your skills and knowledge. After completion of the evaluation phase, you can get a funded account customized for you. The best part is the profit split policy. The trader easily can get 80% of profit. If you want to get more about them, contact via email at support@earn2trade.com. The Gauntlet Mini accounts come in many sizes that you can choose from, starting from $25K to $150K, each carrying a different monthly fee cost, with the lowest starting at $130 per month. Number 4. Osprey FX. So number 4 is Osprey FX. With their smooth policy, traders can get funded accounts after completing 2 initial challenges. What's more exciting than getting 70% profit from your trading with a live account without even risking your capital? You can choose the amount funded to your account after paying the fee on the selected amount. Traders can trade on different platforms like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Number 3. TopStep. One of the fastest growing companies in the US, TopStep provides fully funded accounts judging on the skills and eligibility of the traders. You can easily grab your accounts after completing their Trading Combine phase. If you are interested in opening your doors for funding accounts, show consistent profitability, brilliant risk management skills. Bear in mind, you have to be given specific targets and you have to complete it in precise time. Traders who successfully manage to flip the account with their skills can get a juicy 80% of the achieved profit. Moreover, they provide a wide range of trading platforms such as TS Trader, TradingView, NinjaTrader, TradeStation, and many others, depending on which suits you the best. Let's talk about their fee too. During the Trading Combine eligibility phase, traders need to pay $100 each month to get their customized trading account, which comes with exciting $200K buying power. Number 2. FTMO. The next provider is well-known industry leader FTMO. It's one of the leading firms which successfully established the track record to pay an insane amount in 2021 to their traders. Any wild guesses? It's $23 million. Interested traders must need to execute 3 steps to be eligible for an FTMO funded trading account. You just need to sign up for a 30-day FTMO challenge in which you have to achieve the set target profit. If you wrap up this challenge successfully, then you will be pushed towards the 60 days verification process. In this challenge, you have to show that you can replicate the success and profit targets that must be reached. Now, let's get to the exciting part. Those who complete the first 2 steps get an offer from FTMO for a trading account, whose capital range starts from $10,000 up to $400,000. Traders usually get 80% share of profit on funded accounts, which they can withdraw whenever they want. However, one of the thrilling scaling plans is what makes FTMO unique from others. This scaling plan empowers traders to increase their profit to 90% with account sizes as large as $2 million. FTMO funded trading accounts present a large variety of assets for trading, with the currency pairs mostly strong. It also includes popular cryptocurrencies, commodities, cash indices, and stock CFDs. Through the FTMO funded accounts, you will get benefits to access trading platforms for free. However, traders can trade on popular platforms like MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or CTrader platforms. Number 1. Funder Pro. Funder Pro is the credible and trusted firm founded by a team of traders in Dubai 2022. It quickly gained popularity and reputation because of its pressureless policies. It offers a platform for traders to demonstrate their skills at a flexible pace. It empowers users to trade at their own pace without even the burden of hectic deadlines and strict restrictions. The Funder Pro main motto is to empower, not limit. Moreover, Funder Pro provides 4 ties of funded account challenges. A $25k balance costs $250. A $50k balance costs $300, a $100k balance costs $550, and a $200k balance costs $995. Scaling plan up to $5 million. Okay traders, let's wind up the video now. Do you find the best prop trading firm from the list which suits your profit split margin, capital funding, and other factors? Comment below your favorite firm that you are now considering. I will be reading the comments and answer your queries too. Take care until next time with another juicy crazy trading tip. Make sure to subscribe.